somewhere. Pollinating. Oh, there's a couple of them. So you can see them.
Black on black, always looking crispy. What's up, folks? Alright, this is the best I can do for the camera angle. I'm here at work with another bang. Caribbean food. I got some Jamaican chicken soup, y'all, from Willie's Jerk. I don't want to spill it, but yeah, I can see it. Anyway, this is bomb. I hit it with a little bit of pepper sauce. So you got chicken, some dumpling. What else? I forget what this is called. Oh, and potatoes. So today's chicken soup day, and then I think tomorrow is red beans and beef. It's a dumpling. Less you know about this soup already. For all my Caribbean folks out there, you already know this soup. This soup is bomb. And soup is one of my favorite foods of all time. Oh yeah, and I got some Jamaican style stewed chicken, white rice with some extra gravy and some coleslaw on the side right there. And I put some hot sauce on it, put some pepper sauce on it. Oh, I'm gonna try this real quick. Try this for y'all real quick. Hopefully that's a good thumbnail. Spicy. Good. Ooh, that chicken's fire. I was hoping for the red beans and beef soup. There's chicken and chicken. It's all good. A lot of food, but not even really lunchtime for me. I take my lunch whenever it's slow. So, what the hell is that? Look like a brain. Spicy. You drink? Out outside, so got some ice water. I'm already looking forward to the weekend. I think that's cassava. I forgot. It's been a minute. Let me give a shout out to my boy Sarge, man. Worked in the dispatch. What up, Sarge? I'll give him a shout out. Those guys ordered for their lunch suicide wings. Those were hot, but they were hella tasty, dude. Those are hella bomb. I know I could eat like 10 of those. Easy. Oh, yeah, yo. I want to give a huge shout out to SpyTube and his old lady. Was on their live last night. Cool peeps. So, when you guys get a chance, please go check out SpyTube. That's just one cat. He's hella cool, and I think it's his girlfriend or his wife. But his channel is tight. I'm gonna start binge watching his stuff pretty soon. I've seen him off in Walmart yelling out, "I got 100 subscribers! Woohoo!" And then somebody was like, "Who cares?" He's like, "I care." Cool dude, man. Y'all go check out SpyTube. Tell him Snoopy sent you. I don't know what's been going on, man. Like, I think it's the dust in the yard. I just been like every day sneezing like crazy. I used to get allergies, but I don't think I'm suffering from allergies anymore. But it should be gone in another week or two. Yo, I told this lady to give me extra gravy. That's why I'm always hashtagging Sauce Gang. I have to have gravy on my rice. Alright, y'all, this is not going to be a long one. I'm going to head up. If you guys still haven't tried Caribbean food, you better go try it. I better go try it. Shouts out to all my friends that came out to my live. I got faded, but it was fun though. Not sure yet, don't hold me to it, but I'm thinking about doing a beach vlog. And planning a collab soon with Mr. SpyTube himself. So that's gonna be fun, so look out for that. You guys, this soup is bomb. Soup is hella good. I got requested to do a Q&A. So I'm gonna try to squeeze all that in. And my schedule is Monday to Friday here at work, 2 to 10. So when I get off work on Friday, it takes me almost about an hour to get home. So I'm tired by then. So Saturday and Sunday is my only day to really excuse me, get on here and do this stuff for you. And I was on the homegirl Tosh and her hubby Adam, and they were playing a game called Taboo. I want to try that with y'all too. So it'll be males versus the females. So that should be fun. Les knows about it because she was up in there too. It was last night. So I'm gonna start playing that too. Giveaway still coming after I hit that 2K. That's about it for now, yeah. Alright, SnoopyEats gang. Stay rock with your boy. Hashtag. Hit it with some hot sauce. I'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? Have a good work week.